Sprinkle and Sweep have this Enzyme carpet shampoo. We've got 2 dogs, and if you're a pet owner, you know one of the unfortunate parts is sometimes accidents happen. And so we actually, at our house, we don't have a ton of carpet. We have carpet upstairs, in a hallway, and in each of the bedrooms. We have a little green carpet machine so that we can get stains out and spills. We don't have a huge one, but we have one that works on these little ones. And sometimes when you have pets and they have accidents, you got to clean it up. And that's where this comes in. We've absolutely loved this. This is an enzyme-based carpet shampoo. It isn't a strong smelling. There's not a chemical odor to this. It's this kind of foresty type smell that just smells really good. It's not like a pine smell, but it's hard to explain, but it just smells good and smells natural. And it is low residue, which is one of the things I love. If you've used other cleaners, sometimes they leave like not an oily, but just this weird residue on the carpet. You're just not sure if it's safe for pets, and that's where this is different. Low residue. It doesn't cause a ton of foaming as you're using it either, which is nice. And so if you are looking for a good solution for a carpet cleaner, and you've got animals in your house, maybe they've had an accident or two, check this one out. This one is by Sprinkle and Sweep. It's their Enzyme carpet shampoo. It comes in a bunch of different sizes. I think you're gonna love it.